The review you're about to see is a total flop, but I have to post it anyway because you deserve to know about the Vibe Lite from ZEBLAZE. But if you want to know right up without having to spend time watching it, this watch will not tether to an app in the phone that lets you transfer the smart data over. Been through all sorts of stuff. You'll see that in the video. But basically, it's an empty box. All right, on with the review. Many thanks to Banggood, who sent out the review copy of the production unit we have today and the prototype directly from ZEBLAZE. You can pick up this ZEBLAZE VIBE LITE if you're interested. In the show notes is a link and hopefully a discount coupon as well. As far as specs go, here is a quick look at the watch itself with its waterproof capability and other information. We have both black and white to show you. 290 milliamp hour battery. The different languages supposedly supported. Of course, there's no display on the watch, so I guess it supports all languages as long as you can tell time. Greetings and welcome back to Smartwatch Tics. We're a YouTube channel dedicated to smartwatches and everything smartwatches, available on the web at smartwatchtics.com. We're going to unbox a ZEBLAZE smartwatch. This one is called the Vibe Lite. Now, you've seen us do the Vibe, a couple of versions of the ZEBLAZE Vibe. And of course, all the other ZEBLAZE watches that have been making the rounds here recently. Well, this is one of those fun crossover kind of watches. It's an analog watch with some smarts in it. We've done a couple like this. I think they're like this. But this is ZEBLAZE entry into the market. Whoa, it fell. It's upside down. It was plastic wrapped. So, okay. Well, let's pull it out. Didn't go far. There it is. Oh, yeah, sweet. Look at that. Look at that gold highlights on the dial and the word light up above. It's already ticking, folks. It's got a TPU band, looks like. Wow. A lot of holes in that. It should fit tall people, short people, big arms, small arms, and they are removable. So if you want to put a nice silver or gold band, metal band on this, you certainly can. We'll give you those measurements in a little bit. All right, that's the watch. There's no charger because it comes with a tiny battery, but it uses Bluetooth to do tethering to your phone. That's the fun thing about these watches. Here's the English manual. Let's walk through that. The on-off is in the crown. Long press on both. There's buttons over here on the side. Long press A and B to get yourself powered off. And to turn the Bluetooth power on, you're going to press in the top one. Here's the magic. This is what you got to download is this app. The name, there it is. UWatch. You see that? UWatch. Download UWatch from the Google Play Store or scan the QR code. And more information, okay? This is how you bind your watch to Bluetooth through that app. And I'm just going to show you the pages so we can get on into using the actual device. A lot of technical information here. And if you get confused, just come back and refer to the manual. That should bail you out of anything. And then there's other languages, of course, in the manual. Yeah. All right, I'm going to get the app all ready and get this thing tethered because I think most of everything you're going to see will happen on the app, not so much in the watch. Whoa, when you put in UWatch in the Google Play Store to try to find which one, you get quite a few hits. When you scan the QR code, you'll find out it's this one, the blue one with the little person running on it. That's the one we're going to want to install. Whoa, stop. No. Turns out that the app that you're looking at that looks like it's in Chinese is totally in Chinese. Turns out that even when you load it up and try to tether it to the prototype watch, it won't Bluetooth tether. And so this review has been on the shelf until two things happened, and they have now happened. First, we have a production unit of this watch in, not the prototype, with the fixes so that it'll work properly with the tethering app. And most importantly, the app itself is now in English. It was all in Chinese. So we can move forward, and we're going to do that with another unboxing. Our good friends at Banggood have come through, and although we had the prototype directly from ZEBLAZE, we have the actual production watch from Banggood. And I asked them, just so we could see the difference, if they would send out the white one instead of the black one. Oh, just like the other one, it fell in all the way. Here it is, everybody. Look at this. We'll get back to the app. Okay, look at it. It says turn on long press. Both buttons A and B is written. I don't know if you can see that on the plastic there. That's how you activate the watch. And unlike the black one, this one has got a really nice silver everything. The bezel, the background. I mean, they are two totally different watches. If you want one for each different type of environment, you could pick up two. Who knows? Here we go. This is the ZEBLAZE Lite in silver and white and black with black and gold. Gold, silver, they're both beautiful watches. This is the prototype. Unfortunately, it tells time great, but it wouldn't tether properly. So I don't have a fix on this one yet, but the production ones should be just like the functionality you're about to see in this one, only in black. So you got your choice of color, and now you get to see what they both look at. Let's grab the app. Here it is. This is that UWatch special app that we were talking about, and it's got everything in English. So first of all, we need to set it up and tether it, and it said we have to press and hold both of these buttons hard like that for a couple of seconds, and that should activate the watch. The battery in the watch that drives the hookup to the app. And then we can tether it. So now we've got this one activated. I say change smart module, and it already has found it, UWatch. We tap here. It's now connecting the two together right from the app. And again, this is going to be really low power because it's not like a rechargeable thing. There's just a battery in here that drives both the mechanical watch itself and the Bluetooth tethered aspect of the connection between the watch and the phone. Whoa, stop again. It didn't work. I thought it would work. It didn't work. It's been months now. We've gone through Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and now I'm going to give it one more shot to try and get this silly thing to connect because neither one of them so far have been able to Bluetooth properly. I introduce you to, again, the OnePlus 6T flagship brand new Android smartphone with all the bells and whistles. If it can't do this, it can't do anything. So once again, I'm going to press 1, 2, 3, and an extra. I'm going to press 1, 2, 3, and an extra. I'm going to come in here. And I'm going to change the smart module and scanning. It says it's scanning, and I'm looking for the watch on the phone. And I've done everything it says to do to get it to connect. Remember, it's running with just a tiny little battery in here, a quote watch battery, right? Like your old digital watches used to have. It doesn't have much oomph to it. And it doesn't oomph at all. So, production unit of the amazing Lite, right? And the prototype unit. They're beautiful watches. As analog regular watches go, they're really slick. They're very gorgeous. They're nice watches. and they're totally useless as far as tethering to do any of the smart functions. Since you can't see anything on the watches other than the time, you're totally dependent on the app in gathering the information that's collected being transferred by Bluetooth. And with no Bluetooth connection, we are totally dead in the water. So, I have to rank this a failure. First one ever out of over 650 videos here that I'm failing the watch. But unless you guys have better success, and if you do, please, in the show notes, let us know how you managed to get these things to tether to your phone, okay? Because I can't, and I'm done. All right. Thanks for watching. I'm putting a disclaimer at the beginning that says that this thing's not even worth watching, but if you just enjoy, going where I go, then we just went there together. But I am going to post it because you deserve to know before you buy. Good, bad, and ugly. They're definitely not ugly. All right, we'll see you again soon. Once again, if you want to grab this watch and give it a try, impress Mr. Tick that you can get the sucker to tether, you can pick it up from Banggood. In the show notes, we'll have the link and hopefully a discount coupon for you as well.